난 널 사랑해.
How are you?
Doing great. How are you?
Good. I love the daily blast.
Really?
Super excited for this. I know I'm a geek, but I'm like, oh, this will be so nice, you know?
Yeah, that would be good. Like to track everything that we have.
Oh shit, yeah. No, that's Utah too, 99. Sometimes.
Nice. Okay, I like the video. We're gonna export it already. And my meeting probably was cancelled. So yeah. That's it for release that. Anyways, I am gonna do my skincare already. Happy birthday!
I like your birthday.
9 US. 950 rupees. 150. 150 times 12.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just tell me, mama, I'm trying to keep it in sober, sober, sober. Oh, simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm loving over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings inside. Give me some time. Oh, oh, we'll bring it in a simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby,
아니요, 그 필리핀.
누구니요?
네. 그리고 그 공기밥 2개, 플랑 하나랑 그 친송 사이다 있어요.
진성 사이다. 있어요.
있어요. 친송 사이다. 감사합니다. Hindi naman, pero... 그럼 이거? 그냥 이거? 치기다? 뭐요? 그냥 치사? 피자? 사수유로? 할 수 있어. 네. 네. 감사합니다.
전남대교 학우분들의 자랑스러운 선배가 되어주시는 감사한 분이죠. 우리 이명. 네, 의원님 감사드립니다. 자, 다음으로 학생들의 우리들 마음속에 영원한 북두칠성 소개합니다. 로이킴입니다. 난 널 사랑해. 이 세상은 너뿐이야. 소리쳐 부르지마. 저 대답 없는 노을만 함께 타는데. 할 수 있어요? 같이. 봄봄봄 봄이 왔네요. 우리가 처음 만났던 그때 정해지지 않아서 그게 나는 좋아요. 남들이 뭐야 넘는 게 익숙해지면 그때 가오면 그때가 되면 카페에 앉아서 길을 지나가는 사람들의 표정을 보다 내게 사랑이 뭐냐고 물어본다면 처음에 설렘보다 익숙함을 소중히 할 수 있는 것 때론 만나지 않아도 포기하지 않고 서로를 바라보며 솔직해지고 이해할 수 있는 것 처음의 설렘보다 익숙함을